Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this OPPO. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Then choose System Settings. Over here you need to select Keyboard and Input Method, then tap on Keyboard and click on Theme. Now you can scroll down and choose Show More to see all the available ones. Then click on the best one for you, manage key borders and save it by choosing Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Over here, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Now you can adjust brightness by swiping left or right, click on Done, manage key borders and finally select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!